Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your Lowe's gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser to begin. In the web address bar that pops up at the top, type in www.lowes.com and press enter. Make sure you're logged into your Lowes.com account, and once you are, in order to use your gift card online, you'll need to go ahead and select a product online and reach to the checkout page. Add the product in your shopping cart and click open your cart located at the top right. For example, if this is the product that I would like to purchase, let's click on the Start Secure Checkout button right next to the product on the right hand side. And you'll end up in this page. From this page, scroll a bit down and right where it says payment, you'll be able to see an option that says Add Lowe's Gift Card. Give it a click and get your gift card ready on your hand. You'll need to type in your gift card number and its PIN code appearing at the back of the gift card. Carefully take off the metallic strip at the back of the gift card and it will reveal your gift card number and its PIN code. Type in your gift card number in the text box and go ahead to the next field and type in your PIN code. After you're done entering the correct information, click on Apply button right next to the PIN code box. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to use your gift card as your purchase method on Lowes.com. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.